This is the main veranda, the front veranda. It is kind of big, not kinda, it is big actually. It is here. And then when you come here, now I'm showing you the vision because before it wasn't making so much sense because we were on the foundation. Now this is going to be the sitting room and the dining room. I think I can be here. Yeah, this is going to be the sitting room and the dining room. It's going to go from here up to there, up to where that wall is, and then after that it's going to be a kitchen. I think you can see the kitchen, and then I'm going to show you now. This is going to be this is the third bedroom, this one here. I think you can see it. This is the third bedroom here, and then that is going to be the fourth bedroom, and then the other one is going to be a store, and then that one extreme there is going to be the kitchen. So let me show you something else. So here we have the first bedroom as the master bedroom, and then where I'm standing, I'll show you that later, is the second bedroom. Now it's going to be having only this. So this is going to be the main bedroom, like the main entrance to these bedrooms. Now this bedroom here, the second bedroom, this is it's going to be having its own bathroom and a toilet, self-contained, and of course the door is going to come from inside. And then when we go here, or we come in the master bedroom, it's going to be the same thing. Now it has two windows, small windows here. It has the bigger window. I think this is going to be having really good light. I wish it's going to be like the way I'm envisioning it. So it's going to really have a big window, and then these two windows for the light, of course. And then this is going to be the bathroom, and then the washroom. It's big and it's going to be self-contained. It's actually equal. And then when you come to the second bedroom, it's going to be here. So when you come to second bedroom, it also has two windows. It has this window, and then these are going to be the small long windows, and then it's also going to be having one big window. And I'm sure, oh yeah, the light is going to be really extremely good because how is it called, the sun sets and rises over from there. I hope that is the right English. So it's going to be really like this, and it's going to be here. And I wanted to show you the progress. Actually, these bricks now, they are on my height. Remember, this is the second day. We started building yesterday and today, and look at where we are. Of course, this side window, a second window, like by one brick, and that's how fast these bricks make the work or the job. Like, I don't know, zanguya, like really zanguya omulimo. So now I'm outside, so I was showing you all this is going to be the sitting room, and then the dining room. Now that is going to be the third bedroom, and then the fourth bedroom. I think, let me hope, yeah, third bedroom here, and then this is the fourth bedroom. Now in between, they are going to be sharing a common bathroom. Okay, I think you can, bathroom and a toilet. I think that is making sense actually. And then here, this is going to be the kitchen. It's going to be the kitchen, from the dining room to the kitchen, and then this is going to be the store. It's also big, very big. And then behind here we have a veranda, just the kubela, side zeno. So I think that is all. Yeah, that is all. And then this side, of course, we're planning to construct a a kitchen, of course, an outside kitchen, and then the outside toilet is going to be there, like there. Then that is going to be the whole of that thing is going to be a compound, or it's going to be for a compound. So yeah, that is it. So I have this side of which I'm planning to make a compound in a way that we can actually make this like here, just in case we have many cars, some will be coming up to this side because we still have big like space. Okay, yeah, so far that is it, and this is the second day. But of course, look at where we are. This side is done. They have also started on that side, and yeah, of course, tomorrow I think it's going to be. So that is the progress that I wanted to give you. That is the update that I wanted to give you today, and thank you for sticking by. If you have any questions, of course, drop them in the comment section. I think I'll just have to do a sit down answering all the questions. So if you have any questions about this, about anything, please drop it in the comment section, and make sure you ask your question in just sit down or in the comment section. And then yeah, we still have content coming, but of course stick around. Make sure you subscribe, give me a follow, and give me a like, because it really helps me with my content and the channel to grow. So give me a like, leave a comment, or share with other people just to be inspired and all that. So if you have any suggestions for the compound, please suggest them in the comment section. Tell me what you think, or how you think I should do this compound, just for it to just for me to make it look so beautiful and cute for this mega house. And of course, this project is going to take a lot of time, but trust me, it will look better. It's going to be a good one. With your support, I appreciate the likes, the follow, and then the comments and all that. If you have any suggestions, drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and ask me what you want me to answer. Bye, mommy.